how to adjust the volume on Waze application. And welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the volume of your Waze application. First of all, you'll need to open your Waze application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the top left, you'll find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines and you will reach to this page. Here, tap on this settings option from here and you will be taken to the settings page. Here just below map display, you will find voice and sound option. Tap on this option and you will reach to this page. Here make sure the sound is turned on. When you scroll a bit down on the sound section, you will see a volume slider that you can use to adjust the volume of the navigation prompts. Slide it left to decrease the volume and right to increase the volume. You can also adjust other related settings such as play sound to phone speaker, to choose the audio output device, and also mute Waze during calls, which means whenever you are in call, this sound will be muted. Also make sure your device overall volume is turned up. Only then the app's volume setting will work. So in this way you can adjust the volume on your Waze application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.